Hey, good afternoon, guys. Pete with Iconic Trading, Iconic Day Trading. Anyway, finished up a couple minutes early today. I had a pretty decent day. Just want to go over a few trades I took in the afternoon. Previously, ICPT, still one of my favorites as of late. Probably going on my third week now. ICPT. I took it short. I started looking at it right around here. A little volume increase. Came down. It broke to 200. I wanted it to have it break this low. One was like 110.50, 110.58, somewhere around there. So you see here, look to the left. That's where it's at. It finally broke it. Stock's been kind of on the weak side, so I took a short just below 110.50, and I covered 109.80s area. So it was a decent trade for me. It worked out pretty well. Risk reward was definitely there. So that was a nice little trade for me. This one, CRL, Charlie Robert Larry. I posted this one actually up on Twitter, 140 area. If you go over to the daily, you'll see a lot of resistance at the 140 area. So I called it out around 140. Was looking for a short. I got short around 139.87. 88, somewhere around there. Anyway, I covered down in low 138s. Worked out pretty well. Could have done it again, but I'm not, not going to be a pig and get slaughtered. So I was happy with that trade. Worked out very well. Again, risk reward. I had that upper deviation as my risk. High day was there plus a daily, so it was a great trade to take short. Did really well. Not my last, but another trade I had was short, was SHOP, S-H-O-P. Again, I missed the morning, man. I missed these beautiful fades in the morning. Gotta get my ass up earlier. Anyway, look here where it was pretty much grinding all day. Straight across. It's around 172.50 area, we'll call it. Anyway, I took a short here. Almost got a point out of it. Very nice trade. Left a lot on the table. But again, I'll be happy with what I made here. Basically, once it broke this area, sitting from here, going across. I know I had the 200 right above me, and obviously the bias was on the downside. So, ended up being a pretty good trade. Nuva, this was a sweet trade going into the close. Had a nice day yesterday, finishing the day strong. Nice little weak sell-off this morning, reclaimed the high, and then it's just grinding. So if I was a little more aggressive, I would have taken this around 58.49, 58.40 area, somewhere around here. Probably use that 58.60 as like my as my high day and my stop area. But I waited down here. I waited to the 920 cross, and I waited until it broke the opening closing price of 58.08. So I took a short, and I just took my time and just let the stock work. So that worked out really well for me. In addition, that wasn't a full point, but it was pretty close. So again, simple trades. Just let the trades work for you. Nothing magical about it. I'm not forcing anything. I'm protecting my stops. Ended up being a pretty good day. I think that's it. Yeah, that's all I got for you. So anyway, quick update on Iconic Day Trading. The website will be up soon. Have any questions, reach out to me at peter@iconicdaytrading.com. Hope you guys have a great day. Tomorrow, just to let you know ahead of time, what I will be looking at, CRL, Charlie Robert Lambert, again, as a second day play. In addition to DBD, Diebold, David Bravo, David. I don't like playing these little guys, but Solo, S-O-L-O, I will be watching. ICPT. And I'm probably going to keep this AVLR up, Anthony Victor Lima Roma, just to see what happens. I expect a little bit of this gap to be filled to the downside. But as always, we are not biased. We trade what we see, not what we think. So Have a good night, guys, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.